Good evening and welcome to a special program. A day after the horrific disaster at the AMRI hospital in Kolkata, there's a sense of complete and utter outrage in the city. And it's not just Kolkata, it's all across the country. This is headlines all across the world, in fact. People in Kolkata just don't know what's hit them. How could something happen in one of the best known, most expensive and apparently best run institutions, hospitals in the city? There are no clear answers to that. What's clear is that there were clear breakages of laws. Laws were violated. There was a fire which went off, a fire which just couldn't be contained. There was toxic fumes in the air which went up. And the more than 90 people who lost their lives, well, in the situation that prevailed at the AMRI hospital, they didn't really stand a chance. On this special program, we are bringing you different voices of people in Kolkata to share the horror of what they've witnessed in their city. I'd just like to start first with Mr. Ganguly, and it's very brave of you, sir, to come today and join us. You do this on an occasion when you've lost your father. I cannot imagine your courage. Thank you so much for being with us. Could you just tell us what happened? Were you unable to get him out of there? Did you know about the fire? What happened?
Yes, I was the person who was there in the hospital. I was there in Mumbai. I reached AMRI hospital at around 12 o'clock in the night. I stayed back in the hospital, and it was around 3 o'clock in the night. I suddenly found that smokes are entering into the lobby, where all the relatives of the patients were really sleeping. I came out and I found that some people were running. It was around maybe around 3:30. I was not very sure about the time, but it was around 3:30. Then I saw there is smoke coming out from a hole or from the basement. Suddenly I found that some securities were running with a fire extinguisher, which was not sufficient enough. And suddenly the fumes, it turns into a huge smoke. I went to the ICCU unit where my father was admitted. It was on the 4th floor. I went to the ICCU unit. I said that there is a fire in the basement. Please take out my father. Shift the patients. They refused that nothing will happen to ICCU. It's completely safe. They called me up inside the ICCU. They told me that, see, there is nothing, no smoke inside. Your father is safe over here. I relied on them. I depend on them because he was in the many channels and smoke, and like the masks were there. So I didn't dare to take him out. So it was a complete, I believed on the words. I came out. Yeah. While I was coming down, I found that the smokes were entering into the 3rd floor. And it was something, it was disastrous. I was also feeling very, I came out from the hospital and I was just coughing. It was terrible experience. And once I came out, I just realized that now it's all over.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.